everybody. We're on YouTube today, and to watch stuff. So yeah. What should we watch? Yeah, terraforming.
Hey there, welcome to Life Noggin. As we blow through the resources on Earth, it's clear that we're going to need a new planet soon. And since there isn't another Earth out there, is it possible we can make one through terraforming? Terraforming is the process of turning a hostile environment into one that can support human life. And a possible place where this could happen is Mars. After all, it's literally right there, and it might be a good replacement for Earth. So what do we have to work with? Well, Mars's atmosphere is really thin, so only about 1% of what we have on Earth. And it's carbon dioxide, so toxic to humans. Mars is also further from the sun, and that, coupled with its thin atmosphere, means it's about negative 63 degrees Celsius. So, sorry folks, your winter coats won't cut it. On top of that, Mars also has no magnetosphere, so no protection against radiation. And it also has about 1/3 of the gravity we feel on Earth. So clearly there is a lot we need to change. Let's start with the atmosphere. We'd have to make it thicker and change its composition. One way to do this would be to trigger a greenhouse effect, making it so any heat from the sun is trapped, heating the planet all over. We can do this a bunch of different ways, like using methane mined from rocks on Mars, carbon dioxide if we can get enough of it, or even with ammonia. Let's focus on that one for a minute. We could release that ammonia by smashing ice-rich comets from the outer solar system. And since ammonia is mostly nitrogen by weight, once we add oxygen through plant life, we could have an atmosphere pretty similar to Earth's. And with that thicker atmosphere, the atmospheric pressure would be high enough for humans to possibly live. From here, the atmosphere will warm the planet, and the rest of the terraforming job will be a relative cakewalk. We can melt Mars's polar ice caps and have water, and with that water we can have the environment for life, make some changes to the Martian soil, and set up shop on the formerly red planet. But wait, there is more. Remember the whole Mars has no magnetosphere thing? Turns out that's a big part of why Mars lost its atmosphere in the first place. Mars's global magnetic field shut down around 4.2 billion years ago, and from there the solar winds and powerful sun explosions stripped away most of the atmosphere, sending it off into space. And that's not good, since that means there isn't a trove of carbon dioxide in the Mars rocks to release in order to trigger a greenhouse effect. And also, any atmosphere we